Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? How's everybody doing? It is I, JV the Wanderer, getting ready to get started. So let's go ahead and get started today. Okay. Hi. Um. Let's see what happened. What happened last time when I was I forgot to hit stream. That's one thing. I forgot to hit live. I didn't know that. I grew up on Twitch. I thought all I have to do was press the start streaming and it'll go live, but I need to do something special with it. So learning growing pains, but it is what it is. But from last stream I left off on the get val neighbor and I think what happened is I'm crashing. And one of the biggest issues that I noticed was that the local combat and the current unit was not valid. So one thing I'm combating right now is just figuring out the current unit and how to make sure this current unit is valid. Because I think from way back, this wasn't the way it used to be. It wasn't looking for the local combat or anything like that. I think it was looking for data that's been transferred into the great pathfinding and making sure that that unit has the team index. So I think the way I have this combat is all I did is go to the local grid, give grid combat a current unit for it to use and go from there, which I believe it should now work properly. If I go over here, go to my what's it again? Move unit to target and left click. It works. Of course, we're not seeing anything super special or anything like that. It's just like it just works. And I believe my goal right now is basically just getting that unit to walk. And I think I don't remember how I was able to get that working. But what? Okay. Which, to be honest, I'm a little nervous about that because now I don't know what to do next. No, I know what to do next. Just go back my old code in my project and just read through it again and just try to fix this up. But yeah, that's the plan, and hopefully it doesn't take at least like 3 hours to get this all done. I want to try to get this. I want to actually finally get to the good stuff, which may take a bit more time than I originally thought. So, I think this Monday I'm gonna do this. Tuesday I'm gonna do this. But Saturday, not Tuesday. Excuse me. Wednesday I'm gonna do this. On Saturday though, I think I'm going to try to learn something new on Unreal instead of trying to work on this project. And that new thing is that not the procedural model thing, but procedural. It's a new thing that came out in Unreal Engine 5.2, the PCG, I think. Procedural content germination, excuse me. Procedural content generation. And me, I think I've been wanting to learn that for a while. So yeah. Anyways, continuing on. It's gonna be a little slow today. Okay. gave the combat manager unit. We left click on it. If the goal for this guy is to oh wait, that tile unit and then move the target. Okay. We get the player action, does all this cool stuff, and it's going to follow the path. Oh, that's right. I believe my unit doesn't follow a path. Of course, it doesn't have anything to be able to follow a path. We take a look at then we can take a look into my main default unit and see if it's able to do what it's supposed to do. Matter of fact, this is from there. From pathfinding complete. This is something we need to look into. I think I also need to really just make a test later on in the future. Click on this, and we okay. It has the grid. It clears the state from tiles, whoever state it has. You have to select a tile, I think, and comes out this. Local action. It's valid. We should have a we should have a good. Should be good. All right. And it has find event, make sure they're working, and it finds graph, finds the path. I think, yeah, it'll fire this off. Wait, close delay, yeah. Does that, and on path find complete, it gets out the path. We should have. Get player action and party the same. Yes, that's working. Then we have a current unit. Yes. Okay. Get grid. We got work and. Does this have okay, looking at it now, it has no path. Path is 0. All right, that means we have to go into define path into all that's in our that's gonna be in our thing right here in our code. So that's fine, that's working properly. We need to just define path. Okay, then there's close gate, clear, generate data. All of this should be working properly. So what I'm gonna do now is just run it again. Click. Move you to target. Left click. Everything should be fine there. And right click. All right. Input valid. Let's check. It's not valid. Okay. There seems to be an issue. Is input data valid? So it's giving me this. Okay. All right. So it's giving me that. That's what's happening. Okay, let's stop. I think it'll be under right here. And let me check for my. Make sure everything's working properly. Is input data valid? Yes, thank you. How many seconds? Not there. Fine. Here we go. Run again. Let's go ahead and run again. Click. This is all fine. All right, it comes out true. Cool, continue. All right, let me go ahead and right click. Continue. Here we go. Okay, for some reason it came out false. So start target does not equal target index. That should be true. Is a tile walkable? Is it walkable? Yeah, it's true. It's a reachable. If return reachable is false. It's going one tile, I think. One tile at a time. So this should be false. This should be a false, which is going to end up being true. Is it walkable? It's the target. Okay, it's start index walkable. It's a target index walkable. The target index should be walkable. All right. This one is the max path length comes out zero. Max path length is 0. Is that greater than, less than, or equal to that? It might not come out true. That's why. And that's why. All right, so let's go back here. Let's go back in our execute and okay. So looking at this, our base unit came out 0. I'm staring at the same thing. Why? It's probably because of the value. So let's go. I think I have to save somewhere around here. Like somewhere around here. Oh. Because I'm basically lazy and don't like to keep my stuff organized. Here we go. Okay. Movement is 4. So it should come up. This should come up. It should come up. It should come up more than that. Let me go again. Go back and say okay. All right. does that mean I'm going to append this just so I can get an idea of what's the unit's movement. Unit movement. Last space here. Let's see what else I can do. I can also do it in the set tile type view, because it also has like it should also give out its length as well. Actually, now thinking about it, should this actually be sending its I think this should be saying its information about the path, because what's next is, well, I think what should be next is the path. Wait, this is generate reachables. Execute action is coming from this. We should have like a generated path. Generate path of reachables, I think. Pathfinding completed. Wait a second. Maybe it's not okay, maybe it's not showing. That is not showing up. Yeah, there should be something in there. Okay. Get grid. Controller. We want to break this and make an array. And this is going to add state. Tile and reach out thing is reachable. Here we go. Is there anything else missing? I need to start moving. We want to get the grid. Controller. Clear state is reachable. And this is for moving, for the moving function, and we want moving function, and we want to do the finishing moving function. And generate reachable. Okay, this should be working fine. Okay. Now, if I click on it. Continue. And we got an error. Okay. Return make file contains. Okay. It doesn't like this. And why is that? I'm assuming it doesn't like that because type is weird. Okay. I hope I saved. If I did, I'm gonna be lose my mind on that. But I'll close this. Go back here. Is tile walkable? Okay. Excuse me, as I stare at this and wonder if this actually do me anything awesome. Probably not. Okay. Local tile data, and it has a type. Actually thinking about this, I didn't want this to make a pointer, don't I? Because we are just trying to get this height. That probably makes a lot more sense than trying to make it as a pointer. Try that. And we are waiting for it to build. Sorry, I just kind of lost the thought on what I did yesterday. I can say this. I have been practicing. Basically, I've been trying to practice my speech. What I realized when I start to see my recording of my speech, I started to notice that I'm saying a lot of ums and ahs and ohs, and I find that very annoying. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right now. I hope I'm not. If I am, I'm probably have to look at it again. That I need to make sure that comes in a minimum and make sure it doesn't look like I have no clue what the heck I'm saying. Another thing is, when I'm just recently I just went back and record myself, and I wasn't sure if my vocal is the vocal problem or is a speech problem. Oh, vocal and speech are two different things, but uh, what I want to try to do is sound better, sound awesome, sound like a bit more mature than what I look like. I mean, right now you look at me sitting on the couch, imagining me being an adult. I am basically I am an adult. It's just I don't sound like a mature adult or like something older. And I guess the reason why is because I haven't been talking a lot. So, of course, my method right now is just basically just start streaming and start practicing on voices, talking sentences, and basically just try straight up talking. Of course, I realized it didn't have any topics like I want to talk about. I mean, I do have some topics. I'm not sure if anybody's even interested in hearing what I have to say about these topics. But 'cause this is a game dev channel, and I understand that fully. And even though as I'm doing this, I just don't want to keep talking about everything about game dev. At least because I don't really feel like trying to teach y'all how to do it. I just rather show you the cool stuff I'm doing right now. But for right now, I feel like I'm doing the boring stuff, the very boring stuff, the debugging stuff. Even though it's very important, not very good, not very viewing stream. Which is why I'm thinking about doing a little more, doing something more like learning how to do the PCG stuff on Unreal Engine 4, Unreal Engine 5.2. Unreal Engine 4 doesn't have it, so apologies. I apologize live for some reason. I shouldn't need. Anyways, back here. Try again. Move unit. Select. Click again to make sure. And click. Alright. Doesn't happen. Bam, 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 bam. Wait, I went back. Okay, what happened? Do I not have it selected? Just make sure I select it and right click. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. Yeah, should be working. Okay. Continue. Okay, it is coming out 0. Okay, why? Also, my map went purple all of a sudden. Okay, so that part is working. Need to now figure out why. Okay. Move unit to this, and this is coming out 0. Okay. Let's try this unit. Data, and we're going to add another pin for just to make sure we're actually getting the name of that data. And let's give it a color. Let's give it a color of yellow. Because I'm looking at it, it's like it's now seems to be a data problem. Because it's coming at 0, but it should not be coming at 0. So not skill, pathfinding, click, right click. All right, cool. It is coming out 0. Okay. Now what? Okay, my pathfinding is broken as fuck. Shit. What to do about that? What to do about that? Also, apologize for the cursing. Just thinking about it right now. Just thinking about it. Sorry, my brain's a little empty right now. Go to my tests. I think that's gonna be under something. Assets, units, and it's under. Of course. Let me borrow you for a second. Let me go ahead. I need to go ahead and copy all this. I know why that's doing what it's doing. It's because the no. It has all of this. What the heck? Tactic points, max health, jump, max health. Movement. Here we go. And here's the movement and values curve, and we should have movement. And it should be on 1, and it should be on movement. Okay, why is that? Then why are we getting it back to 0? Okay. Let's go into my library. I think it'll be under attribute. And we're getting it as an int. All right. Grid. Move it. Click. Click. All right, here we go. Here's movement. All right. of all the attributes it has, does it contain movement? Yes. So that should be entered. And it is going to go to attribute tag. It's going to find the attribute. It's going to give that value of that attribute. And then it's going to fill that level. And it's going to return that attribute as an integer. Or so I think. The return, wait, true. So evaluate level curve times that true. That's a bool type. This was for the right movement. Okay. Okay, originally, when I have it all set up in C++ and code, I would have figured that some of these, I'll have some errors. This is supposed to come out as 4. This one's also supposed to come out as 2. But right now it's not coming up as anything at the moment. Even though it has the data sheet. Interesting. Okay. It definitely found the tags. So let me go over my functions again. Returns get value at level and context string. This is something I have made in here. Ooh. I say made, but I actually just grabbed. So let me try that. So let's go ahead and try that again. Wrong one. Okay. Well, we don't need all that right now. We need to just run. Then let's go back into it again. Guess we just need this. We need this now. Select that target, select it again. Click. Right click. Okay. Continue. Okay. Bam, bam. Evaluate a curve. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Curve, row name. Movement. Okay, that's confusing. Not curve, curve level. Okay, if curve level, you should have a table. I should be able to look at the table, don't you? Okay, so what's happening is it's giving out 0 for a reason because there's no, because it's, I think it's not finding a row name. No tag. Okay. Let me go back into my go back. Figure out where the curve is at. I think it's in my attribute set. If I over curve, I should get a curve tip row handle. Here it is. This is the one. It's weird. That should be valid though. Definitely a lot to go through. Should be sound. Let me go into my assets. Go in test. In base. Find the movement. Here we go. Okay. Wait. If curve does not equal No curve. Use raw value. Okay, I'm very curious. What's the value? Okay, it's the multiplier. Okay, so it's telling me that the curve row name is none. If none is true, it'll go back to false. It'll go back to false. So that it might be because it couldn't find it, I guess, which is weird. Let me take a look at it again. Okay. So everything's coming out 0. Oh gosh. Okay. Let me go back to my yes. It's not just my it's not just reading it right. It's just coming out 0. Generally it's coming out 0 because I think I get it. It doesn't have the data? It couldn't find the data, I guess? I ain't sure. I'm a bit confused. God damn it. Force line bool is none. If else if I'm only assuming that the none part is telling me you couldn't find it. What do we have? Okay. Row name is just basically an F name, and just checking if the row name exists. I think. For F name blank, F name underscore none, and F name none. Paranoid sanity check. What does that mean? Epic, what do you mean by paranoid sanity check? Perfect. I'm getting paranoid just looking at this. Because I'm looking right now is like I have the road name. It's just none. Like what? It can't be none. It cannot be none. Ugh. Ay, 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 ay. We go through all this again, make sure everything's working properly. Let's go through this again. Pathfinding, move. Click on this. Wait. It should come out true. It's not coming out true. Okay. Go for curve. We're gonna get result out curve. Okay. I'm a bit nervous now. Okay, I'm just You're probably not seeing it right now, but I'm looking at my locals and just trying to find it if the curve table has that row name called movement, which it should. It should have name movement and have the day of the value. And right now it's telling me no. Okay. Real quick. I'm gonna do what I never usually do at all. Look up Google. C++. I'm just gonna look for curve, table row handles, row name not found, not working. Is there a way I can get the curve? My brain's having a big brain fart right now. I'm staring at this like, what the heck is going on? Get value. Okay. Oh my god, head's empty right now. What the freaking hell? This is getting the scalable float, so this should be fine. The curve. it's actually fine. I'm getting this data. And I think I didn't change anything in the road with the road name. Anyway, we still need to test the thing out. I want to go ahead and go back. I do want to go ahead and go back and figure out what's going on with the row name. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. I'm just going to go into my assets, go into unit test, and what's for it now? Give each one a value of a certain number 4 right now until we can get that solved. Because right now it's not doing it exact. It's grabbing the value, which is this thing right now, and setting that value to that exact number. I really want to do some awesome stuff. Okay, this is 4. This is 2. 300. Needs to be. Okay. Let's try it out. Oh, it's working. Wait, it says 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. Wait. Okay, I'm an idiot. This is what actually is happening here. It's multiplying the value. It's scaling the value. So instead of 4, it's coming out as instead of 4, it's coming out as 16. And the reason why is because the value is set to 0, set to 4. So I need to set it all back to 1 to its actual value. Sorry, I borrowed the code from Epic's gas system of the scalable float, and I remember it has a scalable. It has a scale. So let's make sure it works. Click, 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 click. Okay. I'm confused. I'm confused now. What the heck? Oh, also it's doing it more. Also, it's bringing out more. Let's go back to movement. Instead, back to set 3. Just 3. I'm just curious why. Because it come out 4. It came out 4. Four, 8, 12. Okay. Ay. What is going on? Okay. Something is coming up weird. Testing is out. Something is coming very weird. Okay. First and foremost, let's go back to the let's go back to the debug content. Let's go into the pathfinding. Oh my god, I'm happy, but yet I'm nervous at the same time because this is getting fired. I think it's probably getting fired more than once. No, it's getting fired more than once. And I know why. I definitely know why it's getting fired more than once. Although now I'm just kind of thinking about it, I may have to turn that off, or at least have it do it once, or tell it that this unit is moving. I think I didn't do that. I didn't do that. To tell the unit that's moving and it should not be disturbed. Have moved. Ready to follow. Hold up. Hold up. Lines. Has moved. Is there anything that tells it to make sure to not move? No, that's nothing telling it to tell it to not move. Okay. I think for right now I only needed to fire it one. Have it fired one. Real quick, I need to go to my control input. Here we go. Right click. It's just like everything else. Left click. Left click the ones that has the one that has the hole. Okay, how about we go into game, go into PC, and let's go into our, oh yeah, it's not in here. It's gonna be my code. Because I'm crazy, that's yeah. Here we go. Has all this set up. It has everything implemented. All right, we're having a bit of a break part right now. Input right trigger. What else could I be having? None here. So left click here, left around, left click. Okay. Okay. May it crash. Let's do this. If contains the index. There we go. I had to do that a bit more often because it turns out if I didn't have the grid didn't have the thing if tile contains index, when it runs grid tile find, it will end up crashing because it couldn't find it. So instead of having a default, it will like it'll just crash. To be honest, kind of sucks, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Go back. Path finding. Move target. Click. Right click. Can't find. Okay. One thing, I swear it's something that's interesting, weird about this debug. Well, not the debug itself, but the this thing is that it is being fired more than once. Okay, it's like click this, click one of the units, click. You should fire off one. But if I click on this, fire again, it gets called multiple times. Just trying to think about this. It must have something to do with my it has something to do with my player action. It's like if we could get here. And this is the one that's, I think it's being updated. The update hover tile inputs. Okay. What if I click on it and hold it? Click, hold. That's why. Okay. Click, hold. Click, hold. Yeah. If I'm holding the button, it's going to do that. Very weird. Okay. All right, let me solve this. Because it's not supposed to do that. Like, at all. Okay. All right. Right click triggered on player, click right. Player action component. Wait a second. Wait a second. It should be coming from player action, correct? Okay. Here's player action. It should do the thing. Yes, confirm player action. Where's the? As a case, why is it taking me to player action component when it should be just taking me to player action? maybe got mixed up in maybe probably got mixed up in there. Yeah. And if I go in, what does that mean? Sorry if I'm moving back and forth. I'm just trying to really figure out what's the cause of this, because I'm looking at it like, oh, what the heck? Like, what the heck is going on? Why is it doing this? Why isn't it doing that? How do I solve this? That's, of course, me looking at this, like, it just feels like I got everything set up correctly, and I feel like I'm a little annoyed on how things are ending up. Okay. Ooh. Take out my imaginary jacket off and scratching. Ugh. I don't want to look at it right now. I'm just trying to think. Maybe I want to try something else. Okay. All right, staring at this for a moment. And staring at this for a moment. This is like started, cancel. This next one's like triggered. I believe I have these set up. So that left mouse button will click once, and right mouse can be able to be held down to trigger just multiple times, I think. And what I'm a little frustrated about is like I kind of have this set up in a way that I don't quite remember how to get it fixed. On player, click. All right. Like this is correct. However, it's taking me to the player action component, not the player action. Here's player action. Here, all of it has player action, because it's not some player action component. It's just should be going to player action. May have to actually delete that, get rid of that, because it's kind of getting in the way. Real quick. Okay, I know when I click on it, for left click it only does it once, but for right click it does it multiple times. Oh god, this is like one of those. It's one of those days where I have to look at it. It's like we're doing it multiple times, aren't we? Shit. I can solve this. I can solve it. Okay. I'm gonna be very honest. It's feeling a little boring. And I apologize for that. I think one good part that I ended up doing is like this whole stream is gonna be me just trying to solve my one issue. And it's gonna be like that until like a certain time where I'm gonna stop. So not great content, but whatever. Stuff like this happens when it comes to coding. Well, at least for me. Enable input. Okay, so this gets enabled. That's fine. I think it's trying to find the hover. And okay, here's the hover tile. That's what I'm looking for. Hover tile. It is cool. Next gun hover tile, and that's it. Until add that state. Remove that state and add that state. That's normal. That's basically normal. Okay. Yeah, this is normal. But yeah, I think I want. I said we're gonna continue stream, but I think I'm actually gonna need to end it here because this is kind of embarrassing. I'm not making progress. So I have nothing to say. So I need to go ahead and get off. And next time on Wednesday, I won't be at the part where I'm stuck trying to solve this one bug. So yeah. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Apologize in the stream appropriately, but I gotta go. See ya.